Else, welcome to Rockstar, back with another video, and I have decided to switch it up with the Futures Prop Firm Challenge. So as you saw, I've been too safe, and I've been safe for a while, and I've been seeing people like, I trade minis, or I do this, or I do that, and I'm like, y'all are blowing accounts, but they're also getting more payouts, and payouts to pay their rent. Like, there's a guy, I think his name is Trade Trades on TikTok. He always talking about new fresh combines, but also talking about he finally got payouts enough to pay his bills. So, like I said, obviously the internet, we don't know it's true, but I think I'm gonna go up. It's hard because I again have this Top Step account. So I think I'm gonna try minis and just do $400, $500 on this account, and then if it works, I'll just maybe get a bunch of Top Steps accounts and do the same, or I will see if this works. And I kind of want to do 5 micros, sorry, and just do 500 a day with 100 ticks instead of 200. Because if I do $500 with one mini, no, it's the same. One mini. No, I lied. $500 with 5 micros is the same 200 ticks. So yeah, one mini is $500 with 100 ticks. So yeah, actually yeah. So the minis. I'm gonna trade minis. See if I can scale. I might get a bunch of 50K accounts because now it's like, now I see what people were talking about. They were kind of right. If I do minis on, $500 minis on a 100K or a 150K, then I have to make 9K to pass, or 20K like I was trying to do those 300K accounts. Versus if I get a 50K account, 5 days or 4 days with $500, I'm already at my 2K and my buffer. So I love that. And I think people are right. Like, just trading minis, just getting $500, $400, $600 a day. Rents these 50K prop firms are cheap. I'm trying to wait for Apex and My Funny Futures to go on sale. They were just on sale this weekend for Memorial Day. And I was like, I'm done with prop firms, blah, blah, blah. But I'm still going to wait till after I blow this Top Step account and then decide if I want to just do 5 Top Step accounts. Keep them on Rhythmic so I can trade my live account later. Or what? Or do Apex. I think it'll probably be Apex and Top Step because My Funny Futures has a scaling plan and they're a little expensive. Also, I mean, it's that $150 activation fee for Top Step I don't like. So I'm paying $50, $200 per account. I don't like that. Versus My Funny Futures is $127 now. It was $80, which is better, but $127 is still a lot. It's less than $200 though. And then obviously Apex is super cheap, but Apex might not pay you out. So I think it is going to be Apex, just to see. And then if they deny me my first payout, then I guess we'll just go from there. But it shouldn't be too big, like $1,000 or $2,000. So, so might be Apex and My Funny Futures for now, and then just leaves Top Step alone, so I can even use 6 micros, 5 micros if I want to, and do that with the 200 ticks. So I think that's what it is. So now that I'm doing that, I think, like I said in the video today, I think I'm still going to trade the 1 micro this week, and then next week go up to the 1 mini. Or I don't know. We'll see when I start with the mini. But for sure, Monday next week, maybe end of this week. I think yeah, it'll be for sure next week. Let me get my bearings back on this account. But it will be. It's hard to say because it'll be a shorter trade. So, but yeah, we're gonna see. And then I have to add the 1 minute chart back for that though. I tried to add it back today, and my Ninja Trader was glitching bad. I need a PC bad. But yeah, we'll just see and we'll go from there. So I'm super excited. I can't wait. Hopefully this gets payout way sooner. And even if I blow accounts, still give me a payout way sooner and less rinse and repeat.